Hey guys, William Saunders here, the co-founder of Print My ATM. Now, I'm here today just to introduce you guys to our monthly performance for the month of April, okay? So this is something that we do pretty much every month to show everyone the potential power of PMA education and also using binary options trading, okay? Now, before we go ahead and jump into all the numbers here, guys, I want you to keep in mind, just as a disclaimer as well, that your results may vary, okay? Results vary from person to person because it depends upon their trading strategy, it depends upon their risk management, it also depends upon how much capital they have to invest within their trading account, okay? So with that in mind, now we can go ahead and get started. So basically, guys, what you are seeing in front of you is Excel sheet. Okay, so you're going over my portfolio first. So I did not trade the first week of April, so I traded the second week. We have 9 wins, 1 loss, over 27,000 profit. I traded the third week. We have 16 wins, 8 loss, a little over 11,000 profit. I traded the fourth week. We have 13 wins, 1 loss, a little over 26,000 profit. The fifth week that I traded, I had 15 wins, 6 loss, almost 9,000 profit. So it's like 89.80 for the profit, okay? Now, for the month of April, I have taken in 53 wins and 16 losses, and I took over $73,000 worth of pure profit. So this means that my principal is still within my trading account, and everything that's subtracted after that, I have taken home. Okay. Now, normally I take anywhere from 15 to 25 trades a month using my expert skills and tools, okay? But for this month of April, I really wanted to show each tuition level. So I started doing some techniques from basic, I started doing some techniques from novice, I started doing some techniques from intermediate, instead of just using advanced techniques and expert techniques, okay? So I kind of went all around, so that's why I have taken a lot more trades to show you guys that really on any tuition level you can get results. With that being said, guys, I have 6 trading accounts, okay? I only trade two out of 6. The other 4 are being managed by other traders who does this full time and who loves trading and everything in that nature. So if you guys are looking to skip the learning curve a little bit more, then I recommend getting in on the intermediate level or higher. So let's take a look at the intermediate students. So for intermediate, we take their portfolio once a month. And as you guys can see, we have it broken down pretty much the same way. So we can see all their wins, all their losses, the profit. For the month of April, they have taken 186 wins with 60 losses, and they net over $193,000. Okay, so keep in mind this is all of our intermediate students. Okay, as a whole, all of their wins, all their losses, everything as a whole, and then we combine it all together and we get this number here. This is 1 out of 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, so we only get their information once a week. So let's take a look at advanced students. Now, advanced students, we get their portfolios 2 times out of the month, okay? So for their portfolio 7, they have taken 139 wins, 18 losses, over $215,000 profit. For portfolio 8, we have 75 wins with 14 losses, $117,000 profit, just pure even. Okay, now some days we have big announcements to where we don't trade on these days and stuff like that. So students still send in their portfolio and they have taken trades that day, but we still don't include it in our data. So for the month of April, our advanced students as a whole combined have taken 214 wins, 32 losses, total profit of over $332,000. All right, so keep in mind, guys, once again, if you're on our basic tuition, you can get results from there. If you're on our novice tuition, you can get results from there as well. It's just that we don't take in the portfolios as much as we do with these guys here on the higher levels, okay? So if we go ahead and take all of my wins, my losses, and my profit, and then we come over to the intermediate that we have here, same thing, their wins, their loss, their profit. And we take our advanced students here, wins, loss, and profit, then we get our monthly goal. All right, so what we have here is the month of April. As you guys can see, we have 453 wins, 108 losses, and we have a new record-breaking profit of over $600,000, okay? Now, once again, guys, this is as a whole, everyone collectively as together, okay? So you guys should be very proud of yourselves, especially the ones that are working hard, that are basically following the process, and also the affiliates that are bringing in new members that are having great success with us as well. Now keep in mind, guys, once again, results will vary from person to person depending on your trading strategy, depending on your risk management, and depending on the amount of money that you have starting with your trading account, okay? But let me tell you this, guys, I'm so confident that you guys will get results with us. I give you guys a 12-month guarantee. I'm so confident. And let me show you something real quick. So come on over here. So what we have here is a PMA trading plan, and you guys can see with an account size of $500, okay, and only generating a 30% monthly profit. This is what your future can look like, okay? This is exactly how you guys can take 500 bucks and in the next 1 or 2 years do 6 figures. The next 3 to 5 years do 7 figures from binary option trading. Okay, so let me tell you something, guys. We're talking $500 and 30% of monthly increase. I have my students doing on average 20 to 80% a day. So let me say that again. I have my students who are generating 20 to 80% a day. So I'm so confident that within 12 months of actually using your tuition here at Print My ATM, that if you guys are not generating at least 30% of monthly profit, that on your 12th month, you guys have lifetime access. Your tuition is basically grandfathered in. You guys have lifetime access to do another 6 months, 12 months if you need to get this information correct, okay? Because this is very powerful. So what I have everyone do is keep in mind that you only need to learn the skill set one time. That's it. Okay, the market is pretty much consistent throughout the year. Now sometimes we have different parts where it changes, but we have strategies for those too. It's not like Facebook to where they update the rules, or it's not like YouTube to where you learn one skill set and then they're changing it every 6 months. It's not like Craigslist to where you're marketing and they're changing, something every 6 months or every 3 months. They're changing something. Binary option trading is pretty much the same. It's very consistent throughout the whole year, year after year after year. Okay, so you guys just need to basically learn the skill set. Once you have the skill set, then you are able to generate and print money. Literally just print money. So let's take a look real quick at, let's see what $1,000 can do for you guys. $1,000 at 30%. Now, as you guys can see, it's pretty much the same. It just happens a little bit faster. You're sitting at mid 6 figures your second year, and I mean this is 30% a month. I mean this is cake work. I got basic students who are coming in doing more than 30% a month. So this is the power. You guys don't need to start with 500. You don't need to start with 1,000. Some of you can start off when you're ready with $200 in your trading account. Our whole purpose here is just to teach you the skill set, okay? So necessarily you don't need to have money up front to start trading, because when you guys start, you're going to learn a skill set. You're going to get a practice account. You're going to implement what you learn in that practice account. Once you're satisfied from your results, then you go ahead and gather the capital and start generating income day after day, month after month, okay? So if you guys are looking to generate 6 or 7 figures within the next 2 to 5 years, then you guys are at the right place, okay? So what you can do, if you need more information, you can head over to our homepage at printmyatm.com. I would like for you guys to keep up with us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're not on the YouTube channel, it's youtube.com/printmyatm. Also keep up with us on facebook.com/printmyatm. Okay? All right, and we wish everyone much success and happy trading. Keep up the great work, guys. See you guys next month. All right, take care.